We are family. This is us. A little bit of crazy, a little bit loud, and a whole lot of love. My JL Araneta Elementary School family.
Hello everyone, again this is your teacher not so good, Mr. Jansen Bautista Carmona, spreading love and positivity. Always keep in mind, achieve your goals but never leave your parents behind. Welcome to Bar 21, Bacolod City. This is a gathering of friends who eventually became a family and a celebration of life, Thanksgiving, and opportunity. So to start our program this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, I am requesting everyone to please stand for the prayer.
This is Ma'am Carmela E. Hava, an empowered woman, a person with a good heart, hardworking, and a good friend. Migs Carms, thank you Gid sa friendship. Always bring with you our love, prayers, and shared good memories. Good luck to your new endeavor. May you find happiness, peace, and success sa kung diin ka man makalabot. Migs, always remember, your JL family is always here for you. And we love you so much.
Oo, Fermi. Second page. Ma'am Cars, kung mag-abot ka na to sa UK, damo ka na to ma-meet nga new friends and colleagues. But always remember, nga ari lang kami din nga imo mga abyan, una san sa ila. Oo, wala na din ako kami Anytime you need someone to talk, one chat, video call away lang kami Kabalo ka naman asan time tadi. Praying for the safe travels nyo next week. Tani, mamangda na si Inday. Hindi lang isa, pero damo tani. Please send pictures para makita man namon ang ginatawag nga United Kingdom. Ma'am Carms, Ma'am Kami, Mami, we will miss you again. Best wishes on your next chapter.
Please like and share my videos. Thank you.